YouTube. So welcome to another video. This is going to be a very short one. This is for the sort of the die-hard ModFix fans. Other people might not be interested, but I thought I'd give you a little update on the garage, the workshop, and what the plan is for the year basically. So I've spent countless days basically taking this wooden structure apart, and it's like a big seating area, like 4 meters by 2 meters, dismantling that and then basically transplanting a garden shed from one side of the garden to another and sort of refelting it and making it a lot smarter. So yeah, probably hopefully putting up a bit of a montage of all the photos of the progress. But it allowed me, it's basically the first step I needed, because I had so much stuff in the garage which needed to go in a shed. So the shed wasn't usable where it was. So I've taken all the gardening stuff out, so it's freed up a bit of space in here. Forgive me, I haven't really tidied it that much at the moment, but let me show you what I've done anyway. So this is the new garage. It's 30 centimeters narrower than the old one, which is a bit of a pain, and it's definitely longer. Let me just walk around over here. So it's definitely longer. Being very anal and hanging up. I haven't quite finished yet. All the power tools and bits and pieces. So a nice little chipboard wall there stuck up. Yeah, I got some shelving on the go there. I reckon sort of most cars, like an FN2 type thing, would probably go up to about the edge of this window, which kind of leaves a couple of meters. Now the workshop, if you remember the old one, it was a lot longer. This one's a lot smaller, but it's so small, everything's like, I can't get a good shot of it. So yeah, I've got some nice lot of shelving up there. Try to make the most of every single bit of space. And I've redone my workbench. It's a bit messy at the moment because I haven't quite finished, but yeah, I'm quite pleased with that. Basically you've got pretty much every tool to hand, a multitude of spanners, bits and pieces. I've actually put some doors on it for once, so yeah, I can put a load of stuff in there as well. It was a bit dark. Yeah, really chuffed with it, I'm actually. Should make working on stuff a lot easier. So what's the plan for the year? So we've got a new car, which I'll probably do a separate video on, just a little reveal video on that one, which is basically a towing car and nice big comfy long distance cruiser. So I shall hopefully do a video pretty quick on that one, unless I've done one already, which you already know what the car is. Anyway, so I've just had a tow bar fitted on that the other day, so that's raring to go. So yeah, the plan is to get a trailer. So the next track car can be, well, it doesn't have to be road legal. I can just go crazy with it and not have to worry about MOTs and all that crap. So yeah, that's the plan. I've got to find a new track car. I don't want to say too much what I'm looking for. Some people probably know, but yeah, it's just working through all those steps, building the shed so I can then fill up the garage, getting the new car, getting the tow bar, which now means I could hopefully try and get a trailer or at least rent one. It means I've got a bit more scope to what kind of cars I can look at, you know, not just ones that can be driven away. So yeah, just a little quick video to show you and tell you what I'm up to and what the plan is for the year. I'll obviously do lots more to the FN2. Not quite sure yet. I've got a sump baffle to go in it, so maybe the sump baffle and the FD2 oil pump, get a bit more power. So I've booked on to about 7 car shows this year so far, I think. So yeah, stay tuned for a lot of car show content as well, a bit of variety. So that's it really, just a quick video, just to sort of tell the die-hard viewers what's actually going on with the channel. I'm sorry it's been a bit quiet, but yeah, life gets in the way sometimes, and sure you'll know how it is. So yeah, thanks for watching as always. Please like and subscribe, hit our notifications bell, check comment down below, and I shall see you on the next one. Cheers guys.